Hi everybody. Okay, I've got a quick project here. It's quite interesting. It's the same project we've done earlier on. This, though, it's with a GPS. It's not using the internet, using the GPS, and it's got an OLED screen, but we might not need that because, okay, well, I mean, it's not, if the light doesn't flash much, because it's on the windowsill, it's off the windowsill, so it's not very strong. Okay, so the idea is to do something like this. This is to bring it on a browser, to bring in this case it's a Dragon CRS, it's a SpaceX attached to the space station, that cargo shipping that bring the goods and also the astronauts. We have the GPS data. This is my location, okay? And from my location, it will work out the distance of the craft from my point here in Cape Town, okay? So in this case, this is where the line is when the satellite will pass close to me and I can calculate the distance. All right, so here's the satellite data at the moment. It's 13,000 and so on, which the only thing is on you have to press F5 just to get it updated. So let me have a look. Yeah, you gotta press F5. See here, show the distance. So if I press F5, sometime probably got a bit of a problem to update it because the GPS is not working well. And you can see, okay, it's updated it. Okay, so this is my location here, GPS data, satellite data. I could write the actually my location probably instead of GPS data, and here it's instead of satellite data, you can put SpaceX Dragon CRS-31 data. Here's the satellite latitude at the moment is -20, which is on the southern hemisphere, and it's what is this? It's the latitude. Longitude is 111 minus, which is also on the southern hemisphere. And the distance from me is 11,000 something. I think it's on the Australian coast now. Yeah. Okay, so go back here. We can see that when you press F5, it adjusts itself to this. Okay, although you don't need this. You don't need the OLED screen. You don't need to display anything because it's on your website. The reason why that is on the website is also you can make it a little bit better than my drawing. You can also have a constant update, and you can access the browser. You can access your browsers via cellular phone. So you just go to your internet, your Google on your cellular phone, and you type in my case the IP address, which is, and you put your IP address on your and you get your display or your satellite or position or everything you want there. You can put your house here. Okay, so there we are, the codes. Okay, I'm going to put it up. Here's the code. Same principle, a lot of library. You need a wire H, you need a Adafruit GFX. If you want to use the OLED, but if you don't want an OLED, you can take these two library off. You need the ESP8266 Wi-Fi, because in this case I'm using the ESP8266. You need the web server, okay? You're also going to need the ESP8266 HTTP client. Yeah, sometime you probably need the ESP ESP8266 secure service, because secure server, because sometimes the you know, in this case, like the API key, sometimes they don't work unless you got a secure server. So yeah, this is my coordinate here. Here we initialize the GPS. I put it on D3 and D4 on the mini microprocessor, and then I swap where TX it's D3 and RX is D4. Okay. This is the API key from N2YO, which is a satellite website. This is the it's a satellite ID code. Okay, every satellite has got its own ID code. In this case, because we're talking about one satellite. But if you want to 20 or 30 satellites and you want to have them all in a flip-flop pages, then you don't need that. Okay, so this is to initialize your OLED screen. All the way down here, we got this is the URL. Let's call it URL. It's actually URL. Yeah. Okay. So and then you do it set up like that. You can actually attach the API key and then you can test it if it works. All right, so this is the update OLED screen where you show all the, the usual, the name is a Dragon, but the Dragon's CRS31. You set the cursor, you want the line up and the line down and so on at the beginning of the block, in the middle of the block, whatever. We explained this before. Then you got to do the parsing, obviously. That is going to be the most difficult part. This is a calculation. Here we calculated the distance from my location, okay? The distance from my location to where the spacecraft is moving. And you use the Haversine formula, which is designed to calculate. It is a set formula, so it's not that difficult either. But it's already here, so you don't have to worry about it. So here it's the handle route, this is a drawing of the map. So this is a HTML JavaScript, which you can change if you want things here. Okay, how do you want them set up? There is also tracker that you can put on. It's like I will do it next. I want to put here. See, here you want to put a little spacecraft that move down as it moves according to the data. So it would move slowly all the way down and then pass and go, and then you'll see it when you come back. Or you can, yeah, you can see the world. So you could actually, yeah. Okay, so this is the OpenStreetMap. You don't need an API key for this, and it's free and it's for developers. So what you do with this, you just subscribe, you log in with your username and password, and then you add it on your here. You add it here. You see OpenStreetMap. Okay, so and you can change. You can make it more interesting if you so wish. Okay, just let me get it back where it was. It's got all the map of the world. You can have a close up if you want, but yeah. Yeah, I don't seem to get it back. I think I need to press escape. Let me just check. Okay, press F5, reset it. Yeah. Okay, so I think you press reset again. Yeah, you see it changes, and it's now it's according to according to this, right? To the Oled data. Only problem is that it's not, the light is not flashing. Also because I'm doing my own sort of, in order, because it's off the, I made an antenna because it's off the, what do you call it, this windowsill, so it doesn't really work if it's off the windowsill properly. So with this antenna, most of the time work. But now it's also cloudy, so yeah. Okay, I think this is quite an interesting development. We can always improve a bit on this.